Alright, so we're also going to change the outer tie rod on this side now that we've got the new wheel bearing in it. Jason, if you're watching this, you asked for this specifically, so I'll show you real quick.
What, tie rod change?
Yeah. We're going to get that socket off that lug nut and I'll bring you guys back. Okay. Is there a cotter pin on that?
No.
Okay.
No. To her. Oh, I forgot to get a wrench.
What do you need a wrench for? We'll do that here in a second. Let's get this broke loose first. Hey James, can you move that hand right there? I'd say that's good. Let me grab a... What size wrench do you think that is?
Let's see what this is.
That's only a 15. Alright, I'm going to grab some wrenches and
18 maybe?
we're going to get that broke loose real quick and then I'll bring you back. Alright, got a wrench to fit it. Down. There it went. That's good. I wouldn't move it any farther than that. Alright, now we'll get a tie rod knocker and I'll show you what that is.
It's a little rough.
Yeah, the exposed threads.
That bolt's getting hot, so is that socket. Good. I hope it just snaps.
Is the whole thing turning? Nope. You're almost off of it.
Yeah, right. Here's my son.
Now there's several different ways to get the outer tie rod off. You could hit that bolt with a hammer, because the new tie rod comes with it, obviously, so you're not really worried about damaging threads. They do make a tool for it, which is this right here. It's a tie rod knocker. You just stick it in between the spindle and the tie rod, and you smack it with a hammer, and it's basically a wedge, and it wedges itself in there and pries it apart. It's coming. Now hit the bolt. Ooh, that hurt, didn't it?
Maybe it wants to come out.
Yeah, it's in there pretty good, isn't it? Alright, knock it in there some more.
Really get a swing on it.
That bad dad is in there, ain't it?
I just hope it's not separating from the...
That'd suck. Just grab a regular hammer and see if put the pressure from the tie rod knocker back on it, and then just smack that nut or that bolt with a hammer. See if hey, put a wrench on it. What size do you think that would be?
Normally.
That's as far as it goes. Just grab a regular size hammer to hit from underneath. That way you can get. There's a hammer right there beside you.
Really need to man up higher.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to figure out what we're going to do and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, so after a lot of beating, finally got it to come out.
Ain't out of the woods yet. Gotta get to that by the knuckle.
That's alright, that's the easy part.
Maybe. Get them out of there.
You get on out of there now. Go on now, get. Get out there. Alright, so now that that's out, we'll put a little pipe wrench on the back side, and then we can start counting the turns so we can put the other one on roughly as close as we can get to where that one is. Now the way I do it, James, is I'll snug that locking nut up against it. That way, even if the turn ratio is a little bit off, you want to hold the camera, I'll do it. Here, you hold the camera, I'll do it.
Dude, my knuckle, I can't feel it.
Alright, here, step back there. Make sure you get a good shot of it. Okay, so one half, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and a half, 23. Exactly 23 turns. So now we'll take our new one.
I've always just ran it right back up on no nut, right where the nut was. Never had no issue.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
Yeah, now I gotta turn it. Oh.
And that there is how you change them out. That one was for you, Jason. That one sucked. It was no fun. It was a lot of beating. A lot of beating to get that one out. Okie dokie. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.